Good morning, beautiful soul. Last night I slept. If you have watched my yesterday's vlog, I didn't record myself before sleeping and didn't give any update after evening. But anyway, I slept last night. Uh, yeah, without even changing my clothes, man. And this morning, it's time to say our affirmations, okay? Something in my nose. Anyway, I'm a goddess. I have goddesses powers in me. I'm a goddess. I have goddess confidence in me. I'm a goddess. I have goddess magic in me. I'm a goddess. I have goddess style. I am a goddess and I'm making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have all of my rent and bills always paid so effortlessly, so joyfully in advance. I'm a goddess and I always have money and resources available to me to make the choices that are in my highest good, highest joy, highest health, highest peace, highest success. I'm a goddess and I eat like a goddess, sleep like a goddess, live like a goddess, speak like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. Nah, second time I'm also repeating. Three times I usually do, okay? I'm a goddess. I have goddesses' powers in me. I'm a goddess. I have goddesses' confidence in me. I'm a goddess. I have goddesses' style. I'm a goddess. I have goddesses' magic in me. I'm a goddess. And I'm making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess. And I have all of my rent and bills always paid so effortlessly and joyfully in advance. I'm a goddess and I have always money and resources available to make the choices that are in my highest good, highest joy, highest success, highest peace. I am a goddess and I eat like a goddess, sleep like a goddess, speak like a goddess, and live like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses' powers in me. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses' confidence. I'm a goddess and I have goddesses' magic in me. I'm a goddess, I have goddesses' style. I'm a goddess and I'm making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I always have my rent and all the bills always paid so effortlessly, so joyfully in advance. I'm a goddess and I always have money and resources available to make choices that are in my highest good, highest joy, highest happiness, highest success. I'm a goddess. I eat like a goddess, sleep like a goddess, speak like a goddess, live like a goddess. I'm a goddess and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. And now it's time to record the psychic message that I was receiving the entire day. So now I'm gonna do that. I was supposed to record it yesterday though, but divine timing. Drinking my warm lemon water. You guys. I have, put white color over here, accidentally, so that's why it's a patch. But I just love this. I want to celebrate my body. I want to have just I intend to, have this healthier, beautiful connection and appreciation for my body and with my body. It's so beautiful, and dressing up is a hack to manifest that kind of life. If you start to dress up for it, you will get it. You will definitely manifest it. And I want the life of freedom wherein I get to wear whatever I want. In my family, girls, women have to live in such restrictions, and yeah, just even the pressure to be always covered, always, that's too much, not for me. I like, short clothes makes me so happy. Ta-da! Ah, I oh, my desire is that only the right people watches this video. Just stop being obsessed with the body, okay? Let you guys, I'm making my oatmeal and I was having racy thoughts about, everything, but I know God's got me. I was feeling scared because I only have like the money for like to get groceries today, but after that I don't know how I will where the money, how will I have the money to eat the food, how will I pay my rent. Today I told my landlady that I'll pay my rent in 4 days, but I don't know how. And I was having the anxiety also with my father's relationship, just like having a conversation, any kind of, and just like because it's just been like 1 month since I lost my mom, so I'm just like this panic and like losing everybody, and I'm going against like doing things that like wearing a bikini and like not a bikini but a bikini top and recording a video, and like also not choosing this. Like if I go back home, I will have the food, I will have the home, and I will not have that constant stress, but I will also be trapped. I will not be able to wear what I want, and I will be constantly sad and all of those things. And at the same time I do want to have healthier just like all these confusion going on, that God, what is the right thing to do? I only want to do that which is in the highest good of all, but right now with my own limited mind I cannot think of the right way, the win-win outcome. So God, you lead my mind, body and heart to the highest good, to the highest outcome. This is what I was saying even when my mom had cancer. And then God, like I was just praying for the highest good. God, what you want I want for myself, even if I'm scared. And then God didn't want me to go home, but yeah, let's see. So I was making my oatmeal and all these fearful thoughts were coming up, and so I'm just like, I know God's got me, I know God's got me. Goddesses will send me money, my mommy from the heavens will send me money for my rent, for my food, and everything will be calmer and peaceful. And I'm just affirming good things over my life, myself, my peace, my heart, my health, my money, my career, everything. You guys, so I had like this top that I ripped and like tied a safety pin over here. These are the sleeves, if you can see, and this is my red skirt, and this is my white skirt that I'm wearing as a top, and over that I'm wearing this like t-shirt that I ripped apart, and like so now it has become like this. And I have this ribbon, and what I'm gonna do is just like this over here, and then I'll tie it like this, you know and then just, yeah, like this. Mm. So this has become my bikini top over this. Now it's time to change the hair and the makeup. Woohoo! You guys, I absolutely love this oatmeal that God blessed me with. I had put dates in it, oats, bananas, jaggery, coconut oil, cold plus coconut oil, and the powder of pumpkin, watermelon, flax, and there was cashew seed, like the powder of it, and the sattu powder. And it's just so warm, so nourishing, so nutritious. I'm so grateful. Thank you, God. Like, it's a blessing from God, this oatmeal, like literally. Yeah, you can donate for my fruits, vegetables, rent, and all these things. Link of that is in my bio. It will support me a lot. Thank you for donating in advance, you know yeah, and don't take any pressure, only if you're in a position to. I'm happy to receive. Mm. Mm. Wow. I also added sattu powder in it. It was so good. Good source of protein, sattu, and the powder of nuts and seeds. Good sources of protein for, and I also learned that after 30 our body needs extra protein because it starts to naturally lose some various important component in the body, and protein act as a building block. I've been learning it, yeah, through different videos and all these things. mm. Mm. If you heard of Sattvic movement, I really trust their knowledge. This is so good. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. You guys, God inspired me to, give myself a massage, like coconut oil massage on my legs, on my arms, on my back, on my feet. So I'm just doing that and I'm feeling much calmer. Super grateful that, Spirit led me towards doing this self care. And my prayer and my intention for all of us is that, dear God, keep us solid, like really solid in our self-care, in our health care, you know, caring for our mind. That means journaling, going out in nature, praying, caring for the body, eating right, massaging, walks, exercises. Yeah. I hope you're also doing something like really, really nice for your body, because your body, it's like the vehicle that gets you everywhere. So if you would have bought a car today, you would take care of it really, really well. That's how you need to take care of your body, because it's the first car that you have, right? And I know I'm being cliche right now, but yeah, it is what it is. I should have done that, before wearing my clothes. That would have been much better, but yeah. So we are creating magic over here. Wait for the full thing. So I'll show you the close-up of the painting over here. Rani. So right now I'm taking Rani out for a walk because she's doing like this. But before we step out, I'm gonna do my ritual, which is prayer. Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Kali, Goddess Lakshmi, Ma Durga, Lord Hanumanji, Rani and I are going for a walk. Be with us, stay with us, walk with us, protect us, and bring us back home safely. Both of us, bring us both back home from this walk safely. Make us enjoy this walk. Make this walk so prosperous, so magical for both of us. See you outside. You saw one butterfly over there, one butterfly over here, and one butterfly over here. What a gift that I get to come out with my selfie stick like this and record myself. Wow, truly, thank you, God. Thank you, God, for this blessing. You guys, can you hear this water sound? I love this when I come out and the, little, these drainages they have, like, and this is clean water. This is clean water, and this noise the moment you come out, and the air and the sun, what a blessing. I'm gonna keep my stress aside and just gonna, this walk is about taking the beauty in, the beauty that I'm surrounded by myself, like in my surroundings, without stressing about other stuff. Like I'm just gonna take like next 20-30 minutes and notice the beauty that I am surrounded with and the blessings. Yeah. A girl just told me that I look beautiful. I couldn't record it because I'm still like, learning. Should I like do this when other people are coming up or not? Because they might not be comfortable. But yeah, I want to record. I would like to record. Now let's see this. I love these lanes. It's so beautiful. Let's go, Rano. Rani. No. Rani, no, bache. Rani is just. Rani, come. Rani, let's go. Wait for the real magic, guys. Rani, go. I sometimes, feel guilty that I'm giving myself these little pleasure of dressing up and coming out for a walk and enjoying these beautiful views, then what if other people, and especially from my family, like my father or siblings, watch this and they get angry for me, and I understand, because I used to look at other people's videos and get angrier. I'm like, how are they enjoying their life, and happy moments, and I am here sad. So I understand I was at that place, but I think this is just my overthinking. Yeah, I'm sure, like, God, and I truly feel, it has taken me a lot of time to I grew up just depressed and darkness, in extreme darkness, the kind of things that happened with me in my childhood and throughout my life. I still struggle from that trauma, that PTSD. And so for me to find my joy again and to start to enjoy, take the blessings in, because I lived like, okay, I cannot take the happiness in, take the joy in, because then I'm going against my family. That guilt, and that's a false guilt. Yeah, I'm allowed to enjoy the blessings that I'm blessed with, and I prayed for it and I have it, God, and I want to forever just have the enjoyment and the blessings. And yeah, this was my little girl's dream. When I was a child, I would pray to be in nature, to have the freedom to come out for a walk and to play with animals and be around trees, because as a child I didn't had that freedom or privilege or that safety. My auntie always just wanted me inside home in the kitchen doing house chores. But now I have this freedom. I'm truly from every fiber of my being so happy and grateful. You guys, this is where fairy lives. So this is behind. You know, from there we were coming and now we have come outside. But this lane is, you know, really beautiful. This is where fairy lives, you know. For the first few months of me being here, this was my spot. Over here I would just get my chikus or some fruit and come here and eat. That was my joy for few months, to just get fruits and just go inside little bit this and sit and eat fruits. You guys, this is dried up right now, but usually this has lot of water, and then from here it goes to like over here, and usually there is so much water always flowing, but it's getting hotter, so that's why, you know, rivers are dried up. But like within like 3-4 months there will be rain again, and I want to be here witnessing it. My intention is to witness the rain and the magic of the monsoon here in Rishikesh. In the last 5 years I have witnessed it, but every year it's different kind of magic, you know. Yeah, you guys, another girl said like, oh my god, I look at you every day and you dress up so beautifully, you make my heart so happy. And I was just like, wow, girl, me? Girl, look at you, because she was so beautiful. She had like purple braids on. I love this fairy energy. More of it, God. More of this nature. More of this beauty, God. More of this, just people following their inspirations. More of, yeah, just this sunlight and this nature that I'm surrounded with. The water bodies. Rani and Rani. Yeah, more beautiful and joyful walks with Rani. I have deep connection with these trees over here. Like, this is my home, guys. This is my home. Truly. My heart's desire is to have a home here. You know, like, I know I belong to these trees, but like, having a home here would be such a beautiful. Here I'm going to eat very small bites when I'm eating. You know, I feel like I overwhelm myself a lot with, you know, like big bites. If I'll, you know, and then it causes discomfort in the stomach. And like, yeah. Guys, temple, you know, my temple. I'm just gonna say a prayer here for all of us. Dear God, dearest Mother Earth, please send us all more than enough money, more than enough resources to make choices that are in the highest good of us, highest health, highest peace, and highest success. Dearest God, dearest Mother Earth, please send us more than enough money and have all of our bills and rent and everything be always paid in advance. Send us more than enough money to enjoy this life. Send us more than enough money, you know, so that we feel very well taken care of, very well provided for all the time. And like, send us more than enough money to feed as many people as we want to feed, all the good work that we want to do. Yay. As you guys, fairies live here. Fairies live here, okay? And I am right now, you know, in front of this, and as I was praying, I was looking at this view behind, you know, Mother Nature. You know, she is our provider and she will provide for us. Yeah, like truly she will provide for us. Right now, as I am making this video, I only have like 300 rupees in my bank account, which is like, you know, $3. and I have to pay my rent and get food and like all these things. And but I know God will provide. I know Mother Earth will provide. I just look at this. Oh my God, this magic. My heart. Yeah, Rani must be thirsty. Okay, let me. One bad habit that I'm realizing I have is that I take Rani on a leash, and sometimes I, like pull her like this, and that might hurt her neck. And also how irritated I get, with her sometimes when she's just, yeah, I need to be more calm so that I'm treating her softly. I'm not being harsher on her, Yeah, because sometimes when we have frustration, it comes out with the people we are with or with our animals and all of that when they are just being nice and kind to us. So, yeah. You guys, look at this tree. It's like red and no, not even red. It's like such beautiful color. Nature is like magic. I need to sleep on time and really come on a walk, like early morning walk. Right now it's like 10, about to be 10. That's when I'm coming out for a walk. But early morning walk, the air, it activates magic within us. The early morning air, like around 4:30, 5:30, truly, and even 3:30, magic. Back in 2019 September, okay, August or September 2019, I had this. Suddenly, I just heard. I don't know whether, it was air or my own intuition, higher self, something told me, okay, that I must, before sleeping, I should doodle. Just take a pen and a sheet and just make anything. Even just scratch. Just keep scratching. Like, if I can't make something good, and without any judgment, just start doodling for 20 minutes before sleeping, and then after waking up 20 minutes. And I was doing that. So for 2-3 months I was doing, and then suddenly one day I heard that go to Rishikesh. And I just had like 2 days of money, So I thought like, okay, I'll go for one day and like I'll come back next, and the bus and all. So I came, okay, for a day. And then when I was walking, and I remember I had like the cheapest selfie stick, okay, and I don't know how I bought it. I don't remember, like, why did I even bought it in the first place, but I bought it. And the first day that I came here in 2020 January, so let these pass. So I was in September I started to doodle, and like in January I received the inspiration to come on 28th of January, and my plan was to come back on 29th, like 28 I will reach, and 28 evening only I'll come back to take the bus back. But that didn't happen because I had this selfie stick and I was talking on it, and suddenly, I reached Nilkant temple, and at that time I didn't know anything about it, but it is a temple of Shivji. And I was just called there. It is just like I was just called there. The magic that happens when you start to follow your inspiration. If I wouldn't have started to doodle and bought that selfie stick or bought the colors and started to paint, I wouldn't have created this big magic in my life. So yeah, truly beautiful. What happens when you start to follow your magic? And then I came for one day, then I lived 2 days, and then I went back. Okay, and then in 2020 lockdown occurred, everybody was going home, but thankfully I prayed to God that God, I was just writing. When you start to follow your inspirations and creative idea and your dreams, things align for you in such beautiful way. Like, you just have to take a little step and bigger things align for you. So I was just manifesting staying, oh my God, my butterfly. I was just manifesting staying away from, like, not going home, and that occurred. And for a year I was just writing and all those things. And then next year, 2021, in January, I said a prayer that Mother Earth, I want to stay close to you. I want to be one with you. These words were coming from my heart, even though I didn't know what they meant at that time, back in 2021. But then in 2 months, my life occurred in such a way that I moved here. And then since last 5 years, I've been here just following my inspiration, not knowing where it is leading, but it's always leading to big magic. Like, big magic. The unknown that we feel, the everything, it's the part of the process. And yeah, my purpose of sharing all of this with you is follow your inspiration, whether it makes sense to you or not. Like, oh my God, will I be able to, am I wasting my time by following my inspiration? I'm not paying attention to my money and all of that. All these doubts will come up, but you're an artist. You need to make your art. You really need to make your art and let God manage that money for you. Let God manage that money and resources for you, bring it to you. You just stay disciplined. Yeah. Even when I was uncertain about everything in my life, I was certain. The deep clarity that I had was that I like being around water, like water and trees. So I was like, okay, if I'm unsure about everything, at least I know that one clarity that I had is that I like being around water. I can follow that. And I'm glad that I chose it. I chose it even when I was scared, even though I was like scared how things will happen. And do not wait for yourself to be perfect. Like, right now I'm not perfect in my storytelling, but I'm still showing up. I'm not perfect in anything, but I'm still showing up. God will do magic. Your energy does magic more than your words do. Okay, your aura and who you are, when you have cultivated solid discipline inside of you, inner discipline, it reflects. It has much bigger impact then through you on the everybody you meet and all of that. I know, like, we're just looking at me, people will be impacted in certain ways. Yeah, so don't wait for to be perfect and all of that. And like with money thing, you see like how it is. Like, we all, there is space for everybody when we have to go through things like that, this stress around money, anxiety, and this confusion, like how it will happen and all of that. It's up to God, it's up to nature, it's up to, and they will create magic with our, if you try to solve everything, no, it is gonna lead to nothing, just pain, suffering and chaos. So just keep praying, keep asking God for guidance, keep following your inspirations. And when following your inspiration makes you feel uncomfortable, still do that, slowly. Just like when a child is born, you don't immediately throw it in the water to swim. You slowly teach us how to crawl, how to start walking. Same like this, you don't, God will not like immediately push you into the main thing, or like you should not even expect yourself. Slowly expand that comfort zone you have. Like earlier I used to record myself only in my room. Now I bring my selfie stick out and have people see me what I'm doing, but this happened slowly. It didn't happen like just like that. So let follow the rhythm of the God. Don't rush yourself, just enjoy where you are. Do not compare yourself from somebody who has been in the field for last 10 to 15 years. If someone is in certain field of business, art or whatever for last 15 years and you are just beginning, and I'm not yes, maybe it's you might have done something for all your life, like in your past lives, and you channel into some powerful energy, and that immediately success happens for you, and you create something, launch something that is so powerful, that's good. But if your path is of patience and slow results, then do not get disappointed. Do not compare yourself from other people's journey, because your journey has its own magic. Just like turtle walks slower, but it has its own magic, whereas eagle has its own magic, and snail, it has its own magic. Lion has its own magic. You are very unique. You have your own magic, your journey and your stories, and it all has its own magic. If you compare yourself and your journey and your everything results with other people, that's not that's a disrespect to yourself. You gotta honor yourself, see yourself fully, compliment yourself. And even if you are looking at other people, just learn, but be like, really see what is going on. Are you using looking at other people and their results as a way to discredit your own wins, discredit yourself or disrespect yourself? Or you are using other people's journey and result to be inspired, so keep yourself checked. You guys, rose is a powerful flower that vibrates on the frequency of self-love, and I eat it with the intention to have the strength in my mind, my body and my heart to make the self-loving choices. With that intention I eat it. Yeah, roses are very powerful. Dear God, pay me for existing. Pay me really well for existing. Gods and goddesses of creativity, like open up creative pathway for me that monetizes my, existence. Like monetizes my existence. You guys, another girl told me, I like your outfit. And the way she said it was like, oh my God. I was like, I like you. I like you. I want to hug you. I want to kiss you. I was just like, ah. Most of the time I don't do it. But sometimes I observe myself like, I want to show off. Like, look at me. Look at my outfit. To the people who already know me, but like frenemies, frenemies. So I want to show off in front of them, but then I catch myself doing that, and then I'm like, no, I'm not doing it. It's a privilege to have creative energy or to receive inspiration and support from God in regards to whatever, whether it's my outfit or like money or whatever, or the success or no show off. Just like So I'm teaching my mind and my body to, yeah, stay calm, stay humble, at the same time not take any shit from anybody, but at the same time also not put other, try to show off and show other people that I am better than them. No, that's not true. Giving my body the important electrolytes that it needs. Yeah. Wow. That's just, thank you, God. Thank you, Mother. Thank you, God, Goddess Lakshmi, Goddess Saraswati, Goddess Durga, Lord Hanumanji, for bringing Rani and I back home safely. Guys, I'm just crying over here because I miss my mom. I wish I could hug her and just, it's complicated, grief and relationship with parents and all of that. And certain situation can be so big to process, like losing a parent, or certain situation, they could be so, the shock of them could be so big that we don't digest it and fully process it in one go. As time goes by, that's when it starts to occur to us, oh my god, this has happened. Oh my god, I have been through, like, oh my god, I haven't heard my mom, seen my mom in so long. And I had been in this situation, like when I was 3.5, I got separated from my parents, so I barely saw them once in a year or twice in a year for, like, for a week or something. And then there was a time for 5 years I didn't saw them at all. And then when I was 15, I was like, I again went back to them, and by that time I was just in shock. I was like, but anyway, but this is the like when I was 15, I again went back to my parents, and by that time the shock, like, I didn't know what was happening, okay? And but at that time I also didn't know how to process that trauma. So now that reoccurring of that shock, it's crazy. To all humans, truly be kind to all humans, because sometimes we feel like we can get so judgmental of our own selves and of other people as well. We don't know why certain person might be acting certain way, or it's just human life. You gotta live it with deeper levels of kindness and compassion inside of you, truly. You guys, I just had watermelon and I couldn't record it, but I want to show you something. I threw it over there, and then sometimes some birds will come or cows will come and eat it. And that's the beauty of, having just like this, like living around this, wherein, yeah, it's easy. I don't have to carry all of this down and then put it. I could just like use my window as a gateway to feed cows. What a beautiful gift. And my anxiety is just kicking in. Like, I had a lot of growing up, there was a lot of, my mother always had anxiety around food and all of those things. But I know God will always provide. But I'm like, okay, I have 211 rupees right now in my bank account. Let's see how God feeds me for tomorrow, or like day after. But I'm sure God is capable of turning 200 into 220 lakhs or whatever, like in such beautiful amounts. So yeah, you guys, I just had dates, peanut butter with some banana. I forgot to record myself, but I'm today, I don't know, I'm not feeling bit inspired to do so, record. But I want to, but I'm just like, yeah, I don't know. You guys, Rani peed, and so I took her out for a walk, and I found a new lane that was just, you know, on the side of my home, but I never saw it before in the last 2 years. But today I found out, so definitely a new way, something with the new way, you know. And then I thought, like, oh, I'm gonna come back sooner, just after like 10 minutes of walk. Then suddenly a child came and he was like, let's go for a walk. And then he took me up, and then we went on a new way, and then we came back. It was just very exciting. I didn't carry my phone, but like, yeah, it's now time to rest a little bit and then clean home, because Rani had peed, and the my hall is smelling of pee. Okay, so I gotta clean that. But so grateful for the walk, truly, truly. You guys, I just woke up. It's 6:30 p.m. right now, and I like really like making videos. It keeps my spirit uplifted, but I think about money and all, and then I lose the inspiration. But I like making videos. Like, it gives me so much energy when I share my innermost thoughts and all of that. It gives me so much energy. But now when I think like about money, then it just like I start to feel down, and then I don't want to make videos. And I'm like, I just woke up and I was like, oh my god, I have no money. Like, I have 200 rupees, but I'm like, what do I do and all? I feel like receiving money gives you a lot of energy as well. And when my bank account starts to go low, it just, yeah, I don't know, it just has been the pattern. But I do want some magic, God. I just saw 111. I want magic. I want to receive like a lot of money, and at least for now pay my rent, have like more than enough for food, like, and like to be able to see like big chunk of money in my savings. All of these experience, I want these experiences. Anyway, I have not cleaned my home. It's very nothing. I did nothing, man. But also, like, I'm on my periods. I was not supposed to take stress. Hey, girl. Oh, look at this sweet little girl. She also had a good Rano. Let's manifest lot of money. Hmm? Every time I need to pay rent, I can't, or things are happening, and I just hug her and I tell her, Rani, please, if you have powers, you use them and manifest money, and it always happens. So I'm just gonna do that. My makeup looks sexy. That's the good thing about today. Yeah. रुगम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे ते राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिन पैसारे सुख लहे तुम्हारी शरणा तुम रक्षक का हु को डरना आपन तेज सम्हारो आपे तीनों लोग हाँकते कांपे भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे महावीर जब नाम सुनावे नासे रोग हरे सब पीड़ा पत निरंतर हनुमत बलबीरा जय 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 हनुमान गोसाई कृपा करो देव की नाही जो सत बार पाठ कर कोई ही बंदी महासुख होई जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्धि सखी गौरी सा मुनीदास सदा हरि चेरा कीजे नाथ हृदय. You guys, I just chanted Hanuman Chalisa for like 35 minutes. And I was, of course, there is financial fear that I was feeling. I was like, okay, what am I doing? Whatever, but I was like, Hanuman ji, you take care of me, you look after me. And what was coming was like, bless me with a life that is right for my body, truly my body, because my body needs to feel calm, and taken care of. Yeah, now I'm about to eat. I'm eating besan chila for protein and peas. Peas also have a lot of protein. So I'm eating peas and besan chila. Oh, I need to squeeze some lemon on peas also. Lemon is good for liver. You guys, I was just crying and processing my mother's grief, but I wrote something that I want to share. Clients pouring into my business consistently, regularly, peace deepening into my life, joy and play taking over my life, deepest level of calm flowing in all areas of my life. Just wanted to share it with you. It's 10:30. I have not slept. I have to take Rani for a walk, before sleeping once. Yeah, I was crying a lot, a lot. I was like, God, yeah. Hello. You guys, I changed into my, sweatshirt. Not sweatshirt, hoodie. Not even hoodie, but yeah, something warm. Because I'm going out for a walk. It's 11:30. But I'm going out, going to meet Mother Ganga and get the fresh air, because fresh air carries the strength that we need. When we breathe in that air, we literally receive that strength. We receive, and it carries the guidance, magical guidance that we need on our journey. Yeah. So I'm going. I cannot carry my phone because my phone's battery is really low. But yeah, that would be exciting if I could have taken my tripod and just recorded everything. Should I? Should I? Should I not? Should I? I don't know. What do I do? I'm confused. I don't know. I don't know. Should I? I really want to take my tripod with me and just record everything. But I also want to go without any bags, without any phone, without anything in my hand, just me and my dog. I think I'm gonna, yeah, go with me and my dog, and yeah, see you later. You guys, I bought my phone. I forgot to bring my selfie stick, but I'm out for a walk, and what the air is so powerful. And what I was hearing was, when I looked at my dog, like things always work out for her, around her to feel peaceful. Things always work out around her to feel very well fed. Things always work out around her to feel peaceful and well taken care of and very well provided for. And this affirmation I'm also gonna use for myself. Like, wow, things always work out around me to feel very well taken care of, me to feel very well provided for. Like, I had this like side bag in which I'm carrying my phone. Thank God, so like a friend of mine, she gifted it to me on my birthday, and it's very useful. I'm definitely gonna find a way that I could carry my selfie stick also, because like, yes, universe is inspiring me to make videos. Universe should also like start compensating me, like start like really paying me really really good for them. Anyway, look at this butterfly over here. I'm just standing around the river right now. You can't see the river, but it's so beautiful. And just this fresh air, does magic to us. Really. And I'm just looking at the stars up. Beauty of the nature heals us. Fresh air, stars, and just looking at, even if you go like somewhere in the morning, if you go there in the afternoon, in the evening, and around night, it's just different kind of beauty. Yeah, I'm so grateful to have the freedom to come out for a walk. I know my mother, my grandmothers, my sisters, they don't have this freedom. So it's just truly precious, and I wish it. Like, I know me moving differently, making different choices is creating that freedom for all of them. So we are walking back home now, and it's time for an affirmation. I'm a goddess and I have goddess powers in me. I'm a goddess, I have goddess's confidence in me. I'm a goddess, I have goddess magic in me. I'm a goddess and I have a goddess style. Like I'm a goddess, I have a goddess style. I'm a goddess and I'm making money like a goddess. I'm a goddess. I always have time, resources available to me to make the most highest choices in my highest good, highest joy, highest success, highest peace. I'm a goddess, and my rent and all of my bills are always so effortlessly and joyfully paid in advance. I'm a goddess. I eat like a goddess, sleep like a goddess, speak like a goddess, live like a goddess. I'm a goddess, and I have full support from all the goddesses existing in this universe. I had to turn back around because someone was standing and I didn't want them to listen to my affirmation. But now I think we should go back. You guys, so grateful that Rani and I are back home. I always say a prayer before going out that, in advance, that bring us back home safely, God, and yeah, always. So we always come back home safely. And I'm just putting my candle here, and I want to like just do a little gratitude thing before sleeping. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching my vlog. And it's just such a beautiful, moment that I always have with my candle. And the candle light, so powerful. Truly. And I have like two candles left, only small ones. And I have 200 rupees right now. And I wanna just believe in the unseen, even though I'm not seeing any evidence, but I just want to believe. I saw 111 right now, that God's got me, Mother Earth got me. I don't know how, I don't see any evidence, but I just, yeah, for me, it is very necessary. And for all of us, it's very necessary to live in warm lights. We need candle lights, dim lights, you know, and health. What we need healthy food, fruits, and safety, and the peace that comes with, okay, our bills are the paid, our rent is paid, we have roof over our head, and we can live with our, walk into this world feeling good about ourselves. When we have, like a rent is due and we don't know how we eat, it really brings our confidence down. But anyway, I know that God's got me. God's got me. I know Mother Earth got me. Yeah. And let's do the gratitude thing, okay? I'm so grateful that today I felt calm. I mean, I got bit of panic, but like most of the day throughout, I was calm. I was happy that I had proteins in my meals. I ate besan chila, which is protein rich, and peas, which are protein rich. I was grateful for my warm, yummy, nutritious oatmeal that I could put like or cold pressed coconut oil and powder made from cashews, flax seeds, pumpkin and watermelon seeds, and just to be able to put the coconut oil in it, so good. And like bananas, I also got my, I had watermelon, but also coconut water. So I'm grateful that I had the money to buy the coconut water and the bananas today. I'm grateful that I had, because I was on my periods, I had the time to rest. I'm grateful for my landlady who is just so calm. and not like putting any pressure on me around it, and just being very patient with me, and just I'm grateful for like that I get to go wear what I want today and go out for walk anytime that I wanted. And I like had the support from spirit. Like when I was going on a walk, I had a child accompany me on the walk that I thought that I will not go on, like it wouldn't be a long walk, but my body needed a long walk and I didn't want it to go by myself. So just randomly a child came running and started to walk with me. So that was beautiful. And in the evening, in the afternoon, when I thought that I'm going cleaning my home, I accidentally slept. And when I woke up, I woke up with a panic, like, oh my god, I have no money. And I was just about to get a panic attack. Then there was a message from a beautiful goddess that I met yesterday. You know, not yesterday, day before yesterday. And for some reason, her message calmed me. She was just asking me to accompany her to like just this Kirtan night. Of course, I couldn't go, but just receiving that message from her, it calmed me in that moment. Having somebody to talk to. Yeah, so I'm grateful for that. I'm grateful for this walk that I get to go on, at night, and the fresh air is just so beautiful. And and just like every day Rani being well fed, like my dog being well fed by Mother Earth, because like every time we go out she finds a snack on the roadside, like healthy food. So I'm very grateful for that support for her, and like for having enough food for me and Rani as well. And just like having phone and selfie sticks, that I'm grateful. Having internet, wow, what a gift that my phone bill is paid. And having clean water, wow, yeah. Having water bottle to have my water in, that's beautiful. And all the lovely compliments that I received today. Wow. All the ladies who were telling me, oh my god, I love your outfit. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. You look so beautiful. All these just beautiful goddesses, complimenting me. It's like, wow. I'm just thinking what else I just started to think that how much I would love like man complimenting my beauty. You know, that would be amazing. I do receive compliments from men, but it's like safe. I feel safe when women compliment me. When men compliments, I'm like I want to receive. This is what I want. I want to receive, yeah, just joyfully and gratefully receive from this world, from people, from both men and women. Receive love, receive compliments, receive gifts, receive safety, emotional safety, receive um friendship, receive like in joyful time together, receive epic blessings and epic generosity from both men and women. That would be from this world, from nature, from animals. Receive love and support, you know in the most aligned way: financial support, financial blessings, gifts, emotional support, and just fun time, enjoyment, laughter. Yeah, that'd be beautiful. Okay, I think, yeah, and I'm so grateful that spirit
inspired me to make videos and gave me the confidence to put my work out there. That's also what I'm grateful for. I love this candlelight. Wow. Okay, donate for my candles, fruits, vegetables, so that I can stay healthy, get healthier. Yeah. And what else? My fruits, my vegetables, my rent, and I'm gonna just end this video over here. Okay, bye. I love you. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and